we hit something, and our window got smacked by a piece of metal, and our window popped off. I'd hate to intercept a tornado with an open window. It's a pretty good hail. It's a golf ball.
Taking golf balls now.
Golf balls?
Says who? Where are they? Oh, this is a good hailstorm. Man. Oh, no! Oh, all right, yeah, get out of here. Okay, the Dow has decided to save its dish, so we're getting out of here.
Let's do it. All right, let's go. We're gonna lose a mission.
All right, yeah. Go for it.
Oh, we did.
Wow. Oh.
So where did you left it in someone's barn? But they weren't
It wasn't
there.
a barn, it was like a storage shed. So the original TIV is showing up.
We got TIV 1, the original TIV coming from Colorado.
Old warhorse.
I would do it.
The woods.
Josh has only two options: go for a risky chase in Arkansas, or wait to see if anything develops here in Oklahoma.
I'm just afraid that we're gonna get to eastern Arkansas. We're gonna look back.
There's not even a tornado prob in Oklahoma.
Just like old times.
Look, we're looking at the old TIV.
I like it better than the new one. Cuter.
They're decreasing. That was it, guys. Good intercept. That was good. It caught us. That was bad, but it was a good intercept. Oh, wow.
For Josh Werman isn't.
Hey, tip to Josh. Yes?
I think we got some data for you.
Good. Thank you, Sean.
Yeah, I'm just trying to remain calm until the storm's actually. You're doing good. Yeah. Inside, my body's going nuts. I mean, I've gone to the bathroom about 6 times this morning. There's constant butterflies, constant sweating. Good thing I'm wearing this tornadovideos.net air-rated shirt. Just to make sure Danny doesn't go off the deep end, we know how he handles these dangerous setups. You may just want to drop him off at an underground bunker or something, because I'm worried about him. I don't know if he can handle a setup like this. All right, Aaron. Okay, Aaron. Have a good chase. Good luck today.
All right, bye. Yeah, they're pretty much going the same direction as us. They're south of Scott City already.
I mean, there's no reason not to be south.
Yeah.
Where's Josh Werman's team? Like somewhere in Nest City or something? Like, I mean, you gotta be kidding me.
What chaser would be there?
You guys want to eat dirt?
Sure.
I'm hungry anyway.
Let's do it.
Is it? Yeah, it is. Yeah. It's a TIV, no doubt. Shouldn't be.
Where are these guys going? Why'd they go that way?
See, they're already behind this storm and they're still going after it. They're actually gonna continue chasing the cell that we just left. Hopefully this storm will do it for them.
Okay, the Dow with its novice driver is going to be backing into this little street here to try to turn around. So, can I turn around the sign then? Herb, this is Josh. Can you tell me how to turn the headlights on? I don't know how to turn on the lights. I don't know how to do anything. Well, this chase is messed up in every way. Now. Baby, hold on, girl. Go, go, go.
Even these treacherous roads aren't keeping Sean from his goal of filming a tornado.
It's getting slippery. This road is not dry. Whoa, hold on! Whoa! Yeah! Dude, the wheels were turned all the way. No, not right in the middle of the road. Get the hell out of the way. Okay, go, 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 go. You cow! Pit rains on this road. Is that a scout?
Watch out, we've got other traffic. Or is that the TIV? That's our people, that's the TIV.
Look at Scout. Oh, it looks like they had a little action. Oh my God.
Scout, what happened?
Scout just went into a ditch and got back out.
Looking good. Good to see you guys.
Yeah, Yeah.
Scout looked like they got hit by a tornado.
No radars in. Yeah.
He's not in the car right now.
Possibly back there.
I'm the only person in a car. Everybody else is like looking at clouds or something.
Nice, okay. Well, there is another cell southwest of here, obviously. I don't know if you guys have been looking at the base of that, but we're at a good angle.
I concur.
If it moves north a little bit, we should get a view.
Why is he talking to me about this?
Very large rotating wall cloud. It's probably...
We're inside it!